This 2021 Tiffin Open Road Allegro 32 saw is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Tiffin is 34 feet 3 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a Sand Bar II Decor, Mocha Cabinetry interior, sleeps 4, water heater, self-contained, air conditioning, TV antenna, stove top burner, external shower, slideout, skylight, TV, refrigerator, and 70 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, front dinette, front entertainment, front kitchen, front living area, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2021 Tiffin Open Road Allegro 32 saw is built on a Ford F53 chassis. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.